Sunlight filters through the verdant canopy, painting shifting patterns of light and shadow on the winding forest path. The air is filled with the melodious chirping of unseen birds, a symphony of nature's tranquility. A gentle breeze rustles through the leaves, creating a soft, whispering chorus that soothes the senses. Alex and Ben walk side by side, their laughter echoing softly through the serene, sun-dappled woods. Their light-hearted conversation intertwines with the sounds of the forest, creating a harmonious blend of joy. Oblivious to any lurking danger, they revel in the afternoon's beauty, their carefree spirits illuminated by the sun. A sudden, sharp rustling in the dense bushes nearby causes Alex and Ben to freeze, their eyes wide with terror. A massive brown bear emerges from the shadows, sniffing the air with its snout, taking slow, deliberate steps towards them. Alex scrambles up the nearest tall tree, his hands gripping the bark tightly, not daring to glance back at Ben. The bear lumbers closer, its large head hovering over Ben, sniffing his ears, face, and neck, its coarse fur brushing against Ben's hair. The bear, with a final, thunderous snort, melts back into the forest's shadows, leaving an eerie silence in its wake. Trembling, Alex cautiously descends from the tree, his heavy breaths filling the sudden void of the forest. Alex approaches Ben, who slowly sits up, a wry smile playing on his lips. "Wow, what did the bear whisper in your ear?" Ben's voice is sharp with irony. "He told me, never travel with a friend who runs away when you need him most."